Introducing the Solax Maleta carbon fiber mobility scooter, the perfect blend of innovation, style, and simplicity. This state-of-the-art scooter is changing the game when it comes to mobility aids. Built with a robust yet ultra-light carbon fiber frame, the Maleta weighs just 19.6 kilograms without the battery, making it one of the lightest scooters in its class. It's strong, durable, and incredibly easy to lift, maneuver, and transport. The battery is easy to remove and recharge. With the press of a button on your remote control, the scooter folds and unfolds automatically. The digital dashboard displays your speed and battery life at a glance, while LED headlights and ambient deck lights keep you visible and safe. Whether you're an explorer, a go-getter, or just someone who values independence, the Solax Maleta carbon fiber scooter offers a sleek, smart, and reliable way to get around in style. Solax Maleta, light, smart, effortless.